Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select accounts and backup and click on manage accounts. If you want to add your Google account, you have to click on plus icon, select Google and enter email address or phone number. In my case, it is email address. And then click on next. Now it's time to enter the password. And then tap on next. Here you have to mark if this device is yours or if you are setting up for your key. Tap on next once selected. Now you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Just mark particular option, read everything, close it by tapping on exit, and if you do agree with everything, click on I agree. Tap on more, accept, and that's it. As you can see, your account has been added. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.